In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate a payment on account using Xero accounting software. This is a crucial skill for managing your business finances efficiently, ensuring that all your transactions are properly accounted for. So let's dive in and walk you through the process. First, start by logging into your Xero account. If you're not already at the login page, head over to Xero's website. You'll need to enter your email and password before clicking the login button to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, the hub for all your financial management tasks. From the dashboard, look for the Reconcile Items option. This is where you'll manage your transactions. Click on it and you'll be taken to a list of all the transactions that need your attention. Next, select the transaction that you want to allocate a payment on account for. Once you've chosen the transaction, click on the Find and Match button. This feature helps you locate existing invoices or payments in your account that correspond with the transaction. If you need to allocate a new transaction that doesn't match existing items, click on New Transaction. Following that, choose Spend Money to proceed. A form will appear for you to input details about this transaction. Now here's an important step: change the type of payment from direct payment to overpayment. This is essential for designating the transaction as a payment on account. If necessary, add a reference to help you track this transaction more easily in the future. Additionally, you can edit the description for more clarity and context. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click on Save Transaction. This saves the information you've entered and ensures it is recorded correctly in your Xero account. Finally, once everything is set and double-checked, click on the Reconcile button. This final step confirms and allocates the payment on account, and there you have it. You've successfully allocated a payment on account in Xero. By following these steps, you'll maintain accurate financial records, which is essential for both compliance and strategic financial planning. If you have any complex transactions, remember to double check the details to ensure everything aligns properly. With practice, these processes will become second nature and help you manage your business finances more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out or explore more resources on accounting best practices.